Hello everyone, and this is my second pocket sketchbook part two. This is part two of my second sketchbook, my second pocket sketchbook. Yeah, that's what I meant. I've noticed that you guys started to notice that I've been coming up with a lot of characters for this sketchbook, mostly a lot of new characters. Well, for those of you who don't know, I actually have been drawing for years, for like a long time now. And the characters that I probably put in this sketchbook are both old and new characters that I've created before and after I made this YouTube channel. And I've been drawing, or at least I took drawing classes ever since 2013. So these are both old and new characters that you see in the sketchbook. Yeah, and I'm going to just skip to the where I left off because I've been drawing every day since I stopped right here with his characters right here. And for those of you who don't know, I've been saying this character Wapter a lot. It turns out it was actually a fan character from someone else. That this character looks similar to, like a character someone drew, like a Happy Tree Friends fan character named Wapter, and that's became the inspiration for the design of both Jackalope and this rabbit girl character right here. Yeah. And enough chit chat. Let's get started with the drawings. So here's like a piranha with legs. My new drawings. Piranha with legs from New World Rush. A mutated piranha. And this is Speedy from the Flightless Dragon comic that I made in my other sketchbook, the old sketchbook. Maybe I should leave links on the older sketchbook tour videos on this video, if you guys will like that. You guys been see the other drawings and other comics that I did over the years. And this is a goblin girl with the horn and stuff. Goblin girl. I decided to color this one because I had the green color pencil that I still have, I'm still using, so I just decided to color her instead. Yeah, from this green goblin girl character. Here's Mindy the dragon girl. Mindy the dragon. She's a shy dragon girl from Flightless Dragon comic as well. Here's a fairy dragon I like to draw. The fairy dragon. Yep. With the antlers and everything. So I kind of like how it turned out a bit, because I usually don't draw the dragon. I usually draw this dragon airborne, and this is him just standing there, chilling. Here's Captain Perfect, my superhero character. Who's like a being a big douchebag type little girl. Captain Perfect, my parody version of Superman. I don't know why I like flat tops so much. I like drawing my characters with flat tops. I don't know, just much my style better. Flat top characters with the hairstyle. I mean, if for some reason if I ever tried to grow out my hair, I probably will never grow a flat top ever. I don't know. I just like flat tops. Even though if I decided to grow out my hair, I'll probably never achieve this hairstyle. Just by age and stuff, I probably will never grow a flat top. At least how old I am now. This is and I can say like a catfish character that I drew probably days ago. That catfish character that I drew years ago as well in my Sensei tablet right here, and I decided to do a time lapse video on him. My catfish character. Here's Luna the vampire bat saying hi to everyone, saying hi to you guys. Luna the vampire bat from Werewolf. Here's Mindy from Scrappy Discovery, the mutant girl. Here's the dragon character that I like to draw too. This dragon character. This one's more Beedipal than the other dragon characters I usually draw. I usually like drawing my dragons four-legged instead, but this one's standing, so yeah. There's a goblin lady. Compared to the goblin girl, you can say that they're sisters, I guess. This is the older sister, and this is the younger sister. I guess you can say they're sisters and stuff. Goblin Sisters. Here's Pat the Pummeler flexing and showing off his muscles and stuff. Here's a Wyvern Dragon character that I like to draw as well. Here's the Axe Knight character. I usually draw the Axe Knight character like attacking or doing other poses, but this time it's just like standing boldly and stuff, drawing in different poses. It takes me a long time to draw Axe Knight too because this character is like a lot different than the other characters I drew because there's so many shapes that I use to draw him. I used to make the character. Here's Hugo from Cat Island Adventures. Here's Candy from Cat Island Adventures. Here's Duke from Cat Island Adventures. And here's James and Hopper from these are new characters that I made I'm gonna show you guys later. I actually made a new Falcon Force comic in this sketchbook right here. I guess right. Yeah. This sketchbook right here. Yeah, this sketchbook right here. I made a new Falcon Force comic for that one. And these are new characters that are in the Flying Squirrel and the Bat character. Here's Joshua from Scrappy Discovery, and here's RR2 from Scrappy Discovery. Hi, my name is RR2, and I'm a program for research. It's a research robot. Here's a elephant character, businessman, the elephant businessman. And here is CR4 or Chris from Scrappy Discovery. That's almost it. This is pretty much all I did. I think I did 22 drawings or 21 drawings, I think. I wanted to show you guys what I'm drawing so far. And this is like a I guess you can say this is like Republican elephant. If you guys want to know what my political stances are, I'm more of a libertarian kind of. So I won't consider myself conservative or liberal. I'm kind of more in the middle, kind of leaning more to the conservative side. But I consider myself more of a libertarian more than anything else. Yeah. And this is a elephant character, the Republican elephant. I want to draw like a Republican donkey next. Yep. I don't know. A lot of political comics usually depict Republicans as elephants and stuff. That's kind of weird. I don't understand that. But it's pretty funny though. I kind of like political comics, especially like the ones on YouTube, like Freedom Tunes. Yeah, that guy's pretty funny. Yep, and that's how I've been drawing so far in my second pocket sketchbook tour. All these characters and stuff. And when I ever get to 20 or 30 drawings again, I'm probably going to show you guys what I'm enjoying in this as well. Because the sketchbook is probably only 100. I guess the sketchbook is probably only like 100 pages. So probably that should make some good content for my video. Make some more videos on. If I do 20 pages each for every video, I should be able to have 8 videos of this pocket sketchbook, which is like more content on YouTube. I'm able to show you guys more drawings. Yep, and that's it. Well, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you'd like to see more.